everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the BMW E32. It's been a while. Haven't really gotten much time to do anything with it. I'm just going to do some maintenance. I'm going to change the oil, the filter. I have to change the wiper nozzles, which this one never had working nozzles. They were broken since I got the car. I'll be changing those out and a couple of other things. So let's get to it. Here it is, M30. Like I mentioned before, when you don't change the struts, I mentioned in the previous videos, the wind catches these hoods and they just slam down and break the windshield washer nozzles. That's the problem with this car. I'm gonna have to rechange that. Change the oil filter where I'm at it. It's already due. And I also got this little corner boot here that was rigged up with some duct tape from the previous owner, so I got that new as well. I went with the Mobile One full synthetic. I got the 5W40 European car formula. Usually I go with 10W40, but I couldn't find it. Figured this will do. Got the Mayo filter kit and the other windshield washer nozzles. Gotta put those on as well, and the boot is in there. So, first thing we're gonna do is go drain the oil. I'm gonna take my 17mm, crack the bolt, drain the oil out. intake. There we go. So let me see. This is what broke off. Pretty much identical, except for they added this extra lip here. I don't know if I'm gonna have to cap that off or something, but solid. Beautiful. Well, there you have it. We did some repairs on the E32. Took care of the intake boot Oil and filter change, new synthetic oil, got the 2 windshield washer nozzles working perfectly. I was gonna give it a wash, but looks like it's gonna rain. It's gonna be a washout till like Sunday. So this is gonna be it for this video. It's a short and sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I got more videos coming. I have videos on the Buick Encore I'm working on, and more on the BMW. I got the S10 also from the auction that I'm still working on.